This is clip 359, probability of more than one event. So the two key things you need to remember for one event and then more than one event is this or and. So if you're on a dice, what's the probability of getting a 1 or a 2? Well, the probability of getting a 1 is a sixth, the probability of getting a 2 is a sixth, and you're adding these together and that makes 2/6. Whereas and is for when you've got two events. So probability of getting a 1 is a sixth, but then pretend you're scrapping everything, you're starting again, and you roll again. So the probability of getting a 2 is also a sixth. If it's and, that means you need to times them together. So 1 times 1 is 1, 6 times 6 is 36. So that links to if you've got two dice, and you roll each dice once, altogether there's 36 different combinations of the numbers on the dice. So for example, 1 and 1 is a combination, 6 and 5 will be a combination. There's 36 different ways. So the examples on the video, I roll 2 fair dice and add the result from each. Work out the probability of getting a total of 6. Now, to start off with, we're going to use sample space diagrams, but hopefully over time, over the next week, using these videos and Heggerty Maths, you should be able to do these without a sample space diagram. So if you roll 2 dice, what's the possibilities that you can have? Well, you can have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you're adding the results. So if you add them, you get 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 plus 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and so on. So hopefully you can see the pattern in the numbers there. So it's asking, what's the probability of getting a total of 6? Well, you can see there are 5 ways of getting a 6. So the probability of getting a 6 will be 5 out of, and we've discussed here, how many combinations are there? That's 6 by 6, which is 36 different possibilities. So see how easy it is when you've got a sample space diagram to be able to answer questions like this. Second one, Mark rolls 2 fair dice and adds the results from each. Same sample space diagram. So if you want to look it up, that's called a sample space diagram. And adds the results from each. Work out the probability of getting a total that is a factor of 18. Right, so first of all we need to know the factors of 18. So 1 and 18, 2 and 9, 3 and 6. 4 doesn't go in, 5 doesn't go in, and we've already got 6. So you can't get 1 and you can't get 18. So you can get either 2, 3, 6 or 9. So 9's 1, 2, 3, 4. 6's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 3's 10, 11, and a 2, 12. So there's 12 different ways out of 36 different possibilities. And what does that cancel down to? We'll divide top and bottom by 12. I would get a third. So a third of them will be factors of 18. Okay.